Yahoo! Prof here, and I've got a small Poke haul for all of you. First one came in yesterday. Is this Amazon guy? We're just on the medium Gorilla Pod here. I think it's almost the biggest one they make. That is a Pokeball. Got that one, obviously from Amazon. It was from the listing with the netball, so I'm thinking that this is actually the older one. I don't know. It says Wave 5. I don't know what that means. And under that sticker from Amazon, I cannot see. It says 2020 though, so this might be last year's. And it says B20 on the bottom. So I have not my spring 2021 Pokeballs have been delayed. So I'm going to wait to open this guy until they show up, right? Because I want to know if this is the 2020 or the 2021 version. It's kind of dented up, but with the scarcity of Pokemon cards at the moment, we're still going to keep it. Then next up here, we have Target. I stopped there today while I was running errands, and they did have cards. They only got in more of the Pikachu binder, and then they have these, which are the ones that come with the little books to hold cards there. It looks like Forbidden Light. I don't know what the second one is. They each have 2 packs though. And this is Breakthrough and something. And I only got, if you notice, there's only 3 different bindery things. So I only got 2. I could have bought a third one because our Target does allow you to buy 3 Pokemon items. But I really personally didn't see the need because they're just packs in there. I mean, they were $10. So, you know, each pack's normally $4. So, like, they're right on where they should be. And I very well could have picked up a third one. I didn't realize the booster packs in them were different. I would have gotten more Forbidden Light, another Forbidden Light one then, if I noticed. I want that Mega Mewtwo Y, I believe it is. Be pretty dope. So we'll open these up in this video, because like I said, really small Poke haul video, and usually these, since I bought them in person, I crack those open same day. So let's get to that. I gotta find myself a chair. Chairs are nice. My hands were cold. The mat we usually use, it's right there. But I am cleaning up so that we can install the 3080 FTW3 into Frozen Slate's computer this weekend. So I'm not setting that up. So this has got 2 of those little bindery guys and 2 packs. Breakthrough, mini portfolio, booster packs. That's about it. Hate these cardboard packages with the plastic on the front edges. Not as bad as blister packs, but they're pretty friggin' bad. Ooh, got Crimson Invasion. I like Crimson Invasion. That's a double layered too. Oh, it's so hard to pull apart. So the 2 little portfolios we have are this guy here and this one here. So they hold 60 cards. Guessing this is a quarter. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, if that's a quarter of it. And those might look a little bit thicker. They mean 60 cards back to back. So on both sides, like 2 cards in each sleeve. Never actually did the math on that before. We're gonna do breakthrough first. Ooh. Tearing apart already on me. Online card. If you guys want that, hit me up over on Twitter at the Prof. Let me know which one you want. By the way, you guys do have to follow me, otherwise I can't DM you. How it works on Twitter is when you follow somebody, the person you just followed can then DM you. So like follow me, then like hit me up under a video, tweet about a video, or just tweet me directly. I don't get that many tweets generally, at least mentions like that. So Pillow Swine. Special Energy, that's pretty dope. Oof, you gotta add a damage counter. That's rough. Braixen, Axew, Dragon type. Flabby, oh, it's Flabébé. Swablu, Misdrevious. Yeah, I definitely don't like this taller GoPro for these, but we're gonna be doing some bigger stuff coming up here. So, yeah, I might have the mat down in the smaller one. But Skidoo here, followed up by a Super Rod. I forgot to grab the sleeves. Super Rod and Aromatize. I might have Super Rod already in reverse hall. Alright, that's number 1 in breakthrough. See, that's another reason why you guys can't just assume this. I mean, for certain packs, it means you get 2 or a better one or something. Those breakthrough packs are not one of them. Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion is next up. That's always a fun one too. Kind of a darker theme. Oh, I lost the corners. Online card. One, two, three. Alright, so we have a Cincino, Zubelios, Pillow Swine, Bumblebee, Shellos, Cubone. I like that Cubone. That would look awesome as a hollow. He's just patrolling his bridge or something. Feebas, Salandit, and a reverse hollow Dino. That's a really cool one, I think. Like the very squared off, like when they show like Chibi and they're making fun of stuff, sort of thing in anime. Pretty cool. Altaria non-hollow. I've not seen that art before. It's actually pretty dope. Normally I end up getting hollow ones of those. And then Fighting Energy. Or Dino. D-I. Dino, not Dino. Dino? It's probably Dino. And then mini portfolio. It's a new mini portfolio double pack, yeah, because I've seen, and you guys have probably even seen me in a previous one at Target buy a mini portfolio pack that didn't have its freaking booster, and I don't know if it was returned or somebody stole it off the shelf. Either way, dick move, guys. saw like on Twitter, I saw somebody stealing from a vintage game store. Like, really? Really? Scum. Ugh. Hate these packs. Ooh, Forbidden Light and Breakthrough again. I knew we'd have Forbidden Light, that was on front. And this is one that caught my eye initially from this. I was super pumped to actually see something on the shelves. If you're wondering, they didn't even bother hanging it up. Like, it goes so quick that when I got there, like, it was just laying on the shelf. They had peg hooks open. Like, there was one of each, I think, hooked up on each shelf just to fill it. All the rest you just toss on the shelf, though. Because they, like, why even bother? But this is the one I thought was the most interesting, and another one of these. Since I think there are only three types. So, and then we have a second Breakthrough, which will open first, followed by a Forbidden Light, which is definitely a more interesting pack, if you ask me. Remember, Breakthrough only has the 3 cards and no energy, from what we just saw there. I have gotten some pretty dope cards out of these, though. Oh. And the online card in these is backwards. 'Cause is the answer. That's why. 1, 2, 3. Alright, we have a Cacturn. I don't think I have a Cacturn. Or Cacturn? Cacturne? Cacnea to Cacturne? Mewtwo Spirit Link. There you go. This card is... Your turn does not end if this card is attached to Mega Mewtwo EX. Mega Mewtwo EX, I believe, is that dude. That's the Mega Mewtwo Y. That's what I want. That doesn't... Get ready for this? It's crazy. The Mega Mewtwo Y box does not include a Mega Mewtwo Y. You just get a figurine. Vanillish. Goldeen. I don't know what it's in, because it's definitely in something if you look at that. Like, you know, or is that light coming down? Or is that a street? Like a road? I don't know. Let me know. Starly. Chespin. Rufflet. That's actually kind of crazy looking. Chespin again. Different one. Followed by a reverse hollow Kirlia. I think I've seen this card before. And a Marowak. Oh, freaking badass. That'd be awesome as a hollow. Kirlia, I believe. There, I think I might even have one of these already. I need to sort everything you see back there. Maybe tonight or tomorrow night. I'd like to get done before we do the PC builds, just get it out of the way. So I'll get wrecked potentially. Not that we're going to go wrecking cards, but you know, if we need a place. These are supposed to be for holding PC parts. Here, see? There's PC parts up there that need to get put in the server. That, and 2 shelves, 3 shelves below that. That's what it's designed for. Easy access, because these are going to be pulled away into the middle of the room. Alright, Forbidden Light, or whatever machine on a Friday put this thing together. He was a little drunk. Drinking on the job. Saw that straight line, I was like, meh. I apparently just can't open packs tonight. This pack is just getting mutilated. And of course it's going to show code. This is a standard green one. I have no idea what that means for the Forbidden Light ones, but they are, I do know, the contents of the Forbidden Light are interesting, or more interesting. As interesting as there's a Mewtwo one that's a little unbroken bonds. 1, 2, 3, I believe. Okay, we have a Bryxon again. Different one fancier one that would look really cool as a hollow. Breaks. Doublade. Judge. Bunnelby. Binnacle. Bergmite. Skrelp. Definitely seen that Skrelp before. Froakie. I've commented on that before. Looks a little low res and soft, but I don't know, is that chalk? Could also be like colored pencil. And we got a Skidoo, reverse hollow. Kind of a very bright for grass, reverse hollow in my opinion. And then a Beast Ring and a Electric Energy. So we struck out on these packs, guys. I think we struck out. Let's recap. And let me know if any of these are interesting to you. Or one of these or another. But, okay. Got a reverse hollow Super Rod. Reverse hollow Dino. I kind of like that art. I don't know if the reverse hollow really goes with it. I do like the art though. And we have a Kirlia that looked better as a hollow. I might actually already have that one. And then we have a Skidoo, which for a grass and a reverse hollow is actually kind of cool. Very bright reverse hollow. So if you enjoyed this, you know, hit like. Otherwise, tell me how I did down below in the comments. And subscribe. Hit the little notification bell. Hopefully we'll see you in the next one, and hopefully I have better luck, right? I mean, I can't always be this bad. Like the last string of how many things has been, right? But we've also had like broken boxes for Amazon Warehouse that have had a fraction of the cost that have had like all double stuff, like GX, EX, you know, not secret rares necessarily. I've had some of those, but not in those big boxes, but where every pack has had some. So it's kind of crazy, right? I just noticed my GPU block is flexed. That's never good. Guess I'm not selling the ones for the 980s anymore. So yeah, we'll see you next time. And hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know, would you pick these up? I think they were $10 pop. I should have probably picked up a third one, but I don't need another set of these. Guess I could give them away or something, but I didn't have a need, and I got plenty of stuff here. It was just interesting because I hadn't seen those before. I haven't seen the double mini portfolio packs. So, oh, and for reference, here once again, here's these two. I don't even know if we're in focus right now. Should kind of be. Here's those two, and then here's these two. Same Mewtwo one. And you had some combination of the three essentially in the two packs. Excuse me. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. You guys have a good one.